Many of you probably saw the videos of the Wicklow Mountains yesterday, and huge numbers of people travelling there and out skiing and snowboarding with their own skis and snowboards as well. Valeria is with us on the line. I believe you were one of those in the Wicklow Mountains yesterday, Valeria.
Yeah, that was me. It was great fun yesterday.
So, how did you get there?
We got there by car, actually.
And where did you drive from?
We drove from Dublin up to Lough Tay, near the Joyce Mountain.
And what were the conditions like trying to get there?
The road was actually quite good because the salt on the road. We heard there was a crash beforehand, but we were all safe and we were driving slow and taking our time.
And like, I'm just thinking because of the fact that Met Éireann and there've been so many warnings in areas. I don't know if Wicklow was one of the worst now yesterday or not, but over the weekend about the weather forecast, that you didn't feel that it maybe mightn't be safe for you guys to travel up, or?
We took all the precautions. We had proper hiking gear. We had group shelters. We had first aid kits. We had lunch with us, and if people started feeling cold, we just had the evacuation plan to get back to the car and head back home.
I wouldn't like to be a spoil sport, but the Wicklow Mountains, there are no designated skiing slopes in Wicklow, and you have to use the road network that's there to get to whatever you're going skiing or whatever. But I think this is a little bit, as I said, I don't want to be a spoil sport, but it's a little bit irresponsible. There's no such thing as safe roads around Wicklow in these type of conditions. And, these people might have, I'm surprised that it's an organised trip because, it seems there will be adults there who would be in charge of this. But, anyone that knows the Wicklow Mountains and the roads that lead to the mountains are treacherous at the best of times. And, you can have all the equipment in the world, but if your car takes off sliding, no matter what sort of a Jeep or four-wheel you have, that will go the way it wants to go.